Hello again, everybody. It's 3:17 and 44 seconds on July 3rd. This is the drawing for the Amazing, misspelt apparently by me, Amazing Adventures number 2, 3.5. Over here on the left-hand side are the 13 filled spots. Let's roll our 3 dice. Number is Yo11. And away we go. Name at the top of the list at the end of the 11th roll will win the book. And it will ship out on July 5th after the 4th of July holiday. Any international participants need to pay the actual shipping cost. Best of luck, everybody. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and here's the final one. 11, spot 3, Howard Kleinman. Congratulations. I believe that's back-to-back. Time is 3:18 and 50 seconds.